Hello my little warriors, welcome back. Let's see in this video question number 7 of chapter 8.3 trigonometry CBSE class 10, in which the question says sin theta minus 2 sin cube theta divided by 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta is equal to tan theta. Very simple problem. What we have to do is, first step, let's take sin theta outside. Sin theta, if you take outside, you will get 1 minus 2 sin square theta divided by cos theta into 2 cos square theta minus 1. We have double angle identity formula. Double angle identity formula is cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1, or cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a, or cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. This is actually double angle identity formula. Therefore, instead of this, I'll substitute this, and instead of this, I'll substitute this. So what will be the next step? Next step will be sin theta by cos theta into 1 minus sin square theta will be written as cos 2 theta, and 2 cos square theta minus 1 also will be written as cos 2 theta. We will cancel cos 2 theta. What is remaining is sin theta by cos theta, that is equal to tan theta, which is actually the RHS. Therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. So, I hope you understood the working of this problem. So, let's move into the next problem. Thank you. Let's see the next question, which is question number 8 of CBSE chapter 8.3. Very simple problem. Sin a plus cosecant a the whole square plus cos a plus secant a the whole square is equal to 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. Very easy problem, because directly what we do is a plus b the whole square we expand. So this will become sin square a plus cosecant square a plus 2 sin a cosecant a plus cos square a plus secant square a plus 2 cos a into secant a. So cosecant a is 1 by sin a and secant a is 1 by cos a. Therefore, the next step will write sin square a, and I will bring this one to here, plus cos square a plus cosecant square a plus 2 sin a into 1 by sin a, because I told I can write this, instead of this I can write like this, plus secant square a plus 2 cos a into 1 by cos a. Same thing, instead of secant a I write like this. Okay, so the next step will be equal to sin square a plus cos square a. These two terms, answer will become 1. Okay, so this one will be 1 plus cosecant square a. Basically, cosecant square a is equal to 1 plus cot square a, and secant square a is equal to 1 plus tan square a. Therefore, for instead of cosecant square a, I'll write 1 plus cot square a plus sin a gets cancelled. What will remain is 2 plus secant square a. Instead of secant square a, I'll write 1 plus tan square a. Cos a gets cancelled, and what is remaining is 2. And the next step is we will add this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will become 7 plus, I'll write in blue pen, Okay, sorry. 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. This is the RHS, and hope you understood the working of this problem. So very simple problem, just expand A plus B the whole square and then simplify it. You are going to get the answer. We'll see again in the next video. Thank you.